Alright, so we're starting to take off this front axle here. We're going to start with these shocks, and then we're going to work our way around and just keep taking stuff apart as we go.
Bad shocks.
We got some Fox shocks on the way, actually. Yep, that's a sign of bad shocks there if they're not going back up. So we're getting at all the control arm bolts here. This side too, just breaking them for now. Yep.
Teamwork.
I'm not used to this, guys. I'm usually the cameraman, but making some progress.
I can't wait to get this axle looking new.
Oh yeah. Put that new diff cover on it.
Oh yeah. Kick that sucker down.
And then I guess
it'll work.
You drive out. It's real slow because the frame will drop.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's all the tools we've been using right there. Take apart the whole Jeep.
And you know what? It wasn't bad at all. Ride it out.
Come on. Can you lift it up?
Alright.
One more time. Right here, and then you can set this sucker down. Grab it over here. About time.
It's about time that old frame was just lonely.
Yeah.
For one.
That was the whole entire Jeep right there.
Oh.
You did that by hand.
Pretty much.
For the craftsman.
Never failed.
Nope. Broke. One hit.
Hey. Ooh, this seems like it's about to fall.
Let it fall. It's all right.
There's the axle, man. It just fell down, but it's alright. No biggie. This one should just come right out. Just like that.
Alright.
Next thing to do would be to clean this axle up, restore it, make it brand new looking again, throw in the diff cover, and just go from there.
And we got to change lower control arm bracket. We got to cut the lower control arm bracket off and install a heavy duty one because that one did get bent pretty hard.
And also, if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out the earlier videos. We got a bunch of different builds. We got 4 builds going on right now. We got the white Rubicon that we actually finished, but now we have the black 2015 Oscar Mike edition. We also got the blue 2003 Jeep TJ Rubicon, and we also got the 2017 Ford F250. So guys, stay tuned, like and subscribe. And also, if you like the channel and you want to help support the channel, visit my Patreon or visit my GoFundMe. The link is going to be down in the description down below. Got some more Jeep parts coming in. I believe this is our exhaust manifold. Alright, here goes the unboxing. Nice and shiny. Exhaust, headers. Ooh, that looks great.
The
This is where the O2 sensors go. There and there. Did it come with the gasket? Sure did. Came with new bolts. Awesome. We just got to clean that engine up. Change the seal down here on this pan. This valve cover gasket up top needs to also get changed. And then we can go ahead and paint the engine block, and then we'll put the new headers on.
Alright guys, so we're going to be working on this motor today. We're going to be cleaning off the rust and stuff and taking it apart. So we're going to take it outside and try to clean this rust off.
Alright guys, so we're going to be taking off this alternator. So we first got to get this belt off right here.
Alright, so I'm taking off these AC lines so they're not in the way. There it goes.
Ripping it out.
Usually plug it back into this clip thing that they come with. Right there. Keep it together so you know which one goes where.
What is it?
I don't know. I forgot what it's called.
I think that's like a coil pack, pretty much.
Yeah, there's coils.
Or something like that.
Those are
So
coils.
if anybody knows what that is, just drop that down in the comments. Further our knowledge, help us out. Next, we're going to remove these engine brackets so we could kind of just get behind there and clean it up a bit. Got one more back here. Goes. C compressor. Next, we're going to remove this power steering pump. Little bracket that goes back there. Got one more here.
Nice.
Alright guys, so we got most of this taken apart where we feel comfortable with cleaning it. We're not going to take this intake manifold yet or this header here. So we're just going to kind of keep that closed for now and just get as much as we can cleaned off with this tool here.
Buzz, we found this laying around in the garage.
We're going to give it a test. I mean, see what it can do. Alrighty guys, so we got this side looking pretty good. We got as much rust as we could. We're still gonna do a little bit more in like areas like this. But for the most part, it's looking pretty much ready for paint. We're just gonna clean it up a little bit more and also get this side. And then we'll start removing this intake manifold and that exhaust header right there. Alright, so I just picked up some brake parts cleaner. And go ahead and spray it down, get all that grime off of there, that grease. Alright guys, so we got both sides of the engine block pretty much rust free. It just got some minor rust on it, which the paint is going to cover that. We just took care of the major stuff. So now we're just going to take off this intake manifold and this exhaust manifold here. And then we're going to get to painting it.
Easy, like butter, man.
It makes it so much easier when the engine is out of the Jeep.
Oh man, yeah.
There we go. There we go. We got one header there. Here we go, guys. We got the intake manifold out.
It's out.
All right, so we got it taped up. Got the wax and grease removed. And we're ready to throw some paint down. What's up, Whiskers?
I'm still gonna paint with red. It's gonna have overspray, so.
Alright guys, we're wrapping it up for today. We had a great day. We got a lot of work done to this motor here. As you can see, if you're new to this channel, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications, everyone, to see what's coming next. We got a lot coming. And also guys, we got some new hats. We are going to be doing a giveaway on the hats, so if you do donate either on my GoFundMe or my Patreon, either one, you're automatically going to be entered into the giveaway. So guys, we got 3 new colors. I'm wearing a pink one. Show you guys how they fit. They fit great. Also guys, be sure to leave a comment down below.
Peace out. Also, go to goonsquad.com to cop you some of that fire merch that we got. And thank you for supporting the channel, for those that support us and have donated. And looking forward to more people to join the Goon Squad channel. We're getting stronger and we're getting tougher.